Couldn't you have mistaken the wolf's sneeze as an attempt to blow down the pig's house?
No, the wolf is very angry. He thought the pig was making fun of his brownie.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have no further questions.
You may step down, officers.
The defense calls Miss Hucklebaum to the stand. Swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I do. You may step down. Please be seated.
Hello, Miss Hucklebaum.
Hello.
Has Mr. A. Wolf ever written a main article in the newspaper about the three little pigs?
No, in fact, he's written many articles about the beauty of pigs.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have no further questions.
Judge, slap out of it. Please be seated. You may step down.
The defense calls the news reporters to the stand.
Raise your right hand.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
We do. Please be seated.
You like selling a lot of newspapers, don't you?
Why, of course. That's how I make a living.
A boring story about a wolf with a cold wouldn't sell many papers, would it?
No, ma'am, it will not.
Could this be the reason you concocted the story about the wolf blowing down the pig's house?
No, the wolves were puffing and puffing.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have no further questions. The defense rests.
You may step down, reporters. Now that you have heard the information from both sides, it is up to you, the jury, to decide if Mr. A. Wolf is guilty or innocent. Please take your time and think carefully about the evidence presented today. When you all agree, you may return from the deliberating room with your verdict. Good luck.